Hi folks, I'm going to show you how you can clean your filters in a Dyson. Don't know if you guys can see it. This is a V8 fluffy model. Two filters, one here and one over here. Pull out this, you need to pull it out just like that. That's how it looks. That's where it came from. Next is this one. You can simply twist and it comes out like that. You see the filter inside. So this is a different type of filter. If you have the max button here, it's a different model. What do you need to prepare? You need a dry towel, any towel. You need cold water. It says in the Dyson support site that only cold water should be used and not hot water. Do not use detergent. Don't wash it inside the washing machine, or for you to dry this later on, putting it inside the dryer. It's not recommended. The recommendation is to wash this at least once a month. My house had a new interior, so it was full of dust when this product came to my house. Thanks to my sister who gave it to me as a gift, a wedding gift. I can see that the dusts are there in between. I want to try this filter. The way you do it is you rinse it until the point that you see clear water. Let's try with cold water, okay? Cold. Like that. Remember that once you have cleaned this filter, you need to let it dry for 24 hours. So make sure you have done your important cleaning before you do this. I'm just using my fingers to remove some of the dust and the filth. Just for demonstration purpose, I'm going to be using this brush. Okay, by order. We need to do this until we see clear water. See the bubbles? Means there are dust. Definitely there were dust. Now, with little water. Let's save water. I think it's okay to brush in this area, but just lightly, so that you won't be damaging the rubber fittings. Okay, and squeeze. Oh, okay. I think you need to soak and pour out this way. Okay, that's a lot of turning gray. Okay, let's make it stronger. Okay, I will drain again. My house was filthy with construction dust. The moment Dyson came to my house, it was working like a horse and it didn't fail me. Okay. Let's try again. Okay, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Close it and flow. Wash. Oh. So we have to repeat this until the water gets clear. And it's not clear. So we're gonna do this again and again. I think this is my third time to do the rinse and drain. It actually feels good to know that you see some dust in the water, because you know that it's doing its job. It's getting clearer. Maybe I do this like 2 more times and then we're done. Oh. The pattern, I think it looks like a Dyson. You see that? Maybe this is the bottom part for the battery and this is the engine, the motor. The water is clean now, so try to shake it. Shake the residue, the remaining water. Okay. Looks clean now. Looks clean. I used to have a lot of dust there, where it actually meets the hole. I will leave it here first to our next filter. This one, the way you do it is just the same. I will close the drain so that you will see if there's dust. Okay, less dust than our previous filter. I'm not going to be using any brush this time. And the good thing is, these filters can be replaced, can be purchased online easily, around $10. Buying it from online, from third-party stores, it's a lot cheaper than buying it from the malls and Dyson shops. Looks clean. I think this guy did all the job. Or maybe it's microscopic. so I cannot see them. Okay, and it's done. So what do we do now? We try to wipe off by pressing it softly just to help it dry. The recommendation is that we let it dry in a sunny place, not nearby a refrigerator or any source of heat. You may heat like oven and stuff. Just needs to dry in a natural warm place, like near the sun, maybe near the window. Gently apply pressure so the remaining water can get to the towel. Dry for 24 hours, which means I won't be able to use my Dyson for the meantime. It's okay because I have finished cleaning this morning before I started to dismantle this. I hope you guys learned something from this. If you like the video, please press the like button, subscribe, and leave some comments if you have questions. Thank you. Bye bye.